Is it recording? Okay, I think it is. So a few months ago, we got engaged. Most of you will remember that, I think. I think we're gonna
marry me with each other.
And he promised me that on our honeymoon, he would take me to places that I've never seen before.
You've been a lot of places, but I promise you, I will take you places you've never seen before.
Aww. So I come home from work today, and he leaves me one hint, and it's this. So where are we going?
So Jennifer is taking a little nap. I may have taken the liberty to put something in her drink to make her sleep a little better, so she didn't realize how far we were going or not going. I think she's gonna be real surprised in this. Okay, so we're just about here, and I pulled over in the middle of the highway so Jennifer wouldn't know if we had gone north or south. I made her put on a blindfold. I know she's going to be excited. Do you think we went north or south? Because I turned around about 4 or 5 times.
I don't know.
How was your nap?
I mean, it was good. It was relaxing, I guess, up until this point, but now I'm like anxious.
Okay, we're here. Now I'm going to go. She's still blindfolded. Okay. Hold on. Okay, last chance. Do you think we went north or south?
I think we went about 2 hours. I'm thinking that you're taking me to Charleston, maybe like a cruise, because the tequila, I'm thinking like cruise, or maybe like the airport, which couldn't be Columbia, maybe Charlotte. I don't know.
Take a deep breath. Does it smell like we're in Charleston?
No, it doesn't. It smells like hot concrete.
It's definitely hot.
Okay.
Come on.
All right.
I think you're going to be really surprised.
Okay.
This took a lot of planning.
Okay, help me. Wait, help me.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. All right.
I don't really
ready?
see anything.
Okay, you ready?
Help me. Okay.
You ready? All right, take the mask off. You ready?
Yeah.
Look slightly this way, right here. Okay, and look up when you take it off, and you'll be here.
All right.
Are we at the airport?
Count
Does it
down.
sound like it?
It does. It sounds like the airport.
3, 2. You ready to see somewhere you've never seen before?
Ready.
1. Go.
South of the border.
Okay, that's.
And in the Mexico shop, you can find the best made in China souvenirs ever.
I even found this spicy senorita.
What started off in 1949 as a small beer stand on the side of the road now spills over on both sides of 501 and is probably one of the most well-known roadside attractions in America.
In 1954, a motel was added, and several years back, this campground was even added with 30 and 50 amp hookups. There's easy access to 2 different gas stations, a restaurant, and on the back side of the gas station is a wash bay big enough for campers or motorhomes.
And everywhere you turn, there are photo opportunities. And of course, we stopped for ice cream, and they have over 30 flavors.
Just to the left of the ice cream place is Fort Pedro fireworks. Anything you can imagine. If they don't have it, you don't need it.
As we made our way over to the Reptile Lagoon, we passed the other Mexico shop.
And then a couple of really big chickens.
We had no idea how many species of crocodiles and alligators there were.
Dozens of venomous and non-venomous snakes are on display. Okay, so we spent a couple hours here south of the border, and I think your impression was?
So this is a great start to the honeymoon.
I think she missed the whole point of coming to south of the border. place you've never been. Okay, as you were saying?
I loved it. It was great. We had a lot of fun.
Now, we highly recommend going to the Reptile Center. And right before we started filming this part, we're standing outside of Fort Pedro, and it's a fireworks stand. So if you need fireworks, if you're from out of state, this is the place to come. And we've had fun. I think you were surprised.
Pretty surprised.
Y'all make sure to give us a thumbs up. Can't leave south of the border without a south of the border sticker. I know Jennifer's gonna love the one I got for her to put on her car. There's the iconic thing that you see, the sombrero going out. Wait, wait, hold on. I guess she's still mad.